So why capital and Negro? Negril I don't want to play. I want.
Negril is in Westmoreland.
Actually?
Yes.
And on we'll go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. What's up people? I'm not doing trying to see me with somebody wanna know, so this is a featured video, right? So welcome back to the channel people. You know it's your girl Dominique, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to
Subscribe.
like this video, comment down below,
And share this video, guys.
yes. So people, Denise finally decided to start her channel. Right now she has her first video up on her channel. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe. I'll link her channel down below in the description box below. Yes, and it's a name on the screen. So but it's easier for you if you just go click the link down under, yeah, down below, yeah, go click it. So today I'm gonna do a video with Denise, and oh, it's not Denise anymore. I'm gonna do a video with the
Let's Go
Tommy TV. Yes, so we just did a video for our channel, so I'm not sure if that video will be up before this one, but anything I want, any little thing, yeah, you still go subscribe, click the bell so you don't know. Wanna know when shut up the video. Anyways, let's go. Today we are going to do How Jamaican Are You? So how to be?
Sit back, relax, and watch this video, guys.
Without that, we are going with that. Anyways, so guys, yes, so let's go. So this video is gonna be a very interactive one. So if you know the answer, but as we ask the question, you know, you can comment down below. Let's you know, work together, help out each other. Okay, well, we are good friend, right? Yeah. So who's gonna start first? Rock, paper, scissors. Ready, steady, go. Rock. What up the Anna? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. With a computer.
You can go ahead.
Right, alright. No one go ahead? Alright, me go ahead. Alright. Oh, Jamaican Are You? The little information in the little paper. Look at the phone and record you. I understand you. So how Jamaican are you? Don't want to pump you by a girl.
I'm not.
Which national ear is on the national ear? I'm gonna take him on my ear. Who is on the $1,000 bill? Tick tock, tick tock. What?
I don't know.
Try. Everybody teaching you know them something.
Guys,
tick.
I don't know.
Try. Tick about the blue money. Who the pan the blue money?
I only spend it. Me never actually look. Me don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know if it's true.
So you want to pass it and come back to it?
Pass it.
Alright. Your time.
Okay, what year was the Honorable Portia Simpson Miller the Prime Minister?
She was in it 2 times, so
Tell
she
me
was
last one.
the last one. From what year to what year?
I reckon to any, well, the beginning or the ending, anyone.
The beginning would have been. Let me see.
1, 2, 3, 4.
2011 to 2015 or 2012 to 2015. Somewhere there, so. Because Andrew in 2015.
Alright, so it is 2012 to 2016.
I can't do that. 2016? Oh yes, that's 2016 election. You're not true. I'm not too bad off.
No,
That one.
that one.
Alright. The longest river in Jamaica.
Rio Mino.
Rio Mino or Rio Cobra?
I think Rio Mino.
Sure. No, so we never find the answer because it's Rio Cobra. But I'm sure which one.
Guys, well, either one.
But I'm sure which one. But I'm sure. Go on. But think I Rio Cobra though. Which one I river run a flat bridge? A Rio Mino? A Rio Cobra?
Rio Mino, they are Portland.
So I'm not eat with that one and I think I Rio Cobra, man. Sure. People if you down below.
Guys, that's one of my questions.
So I answer.
No, we're in Jamaica. Can you find Maria? Me no. Me just.
Portland. She knows that she have to think about the people and she give me the answer to it. That makes sense?
That's okay. Where in Jamaica can you find Martha Bray River?
What river near Martha Bray River?
Yeah. Martha Bray River. One.
Should I answer with you? Me never sure. Oh my god. Me never sure. That was just a guess. That was the first. Look at what the second then. I'm just saying. Alright. Who were the first group to come to Jamaica?
Alright, so the Tainos.
Yes.
Yeah, I did this in social studies. Big up my social studies teacher.
Whatever. Run it.
When you book your tour, what the first thing you ball out?
Ouch.
Oh.
Ow. Oh my god. Which national hero was charged with rebellion?
Sam Sharp.
No.
Paul Bogle.
No.
Marcus Garden.
No.
George William
No.
Garden. Alright, make it stay.
You want the Yes, Nanny.
I'm not hero that no heroin.
Heroin, whatever.
Heroin, yes.
Mm-hmm.
One. Girl, listen.
Heroin, sorry.
That's okay. When is hurricane season in Jamaica?
When is hurricane season in Jamaica? No. Start about September. End of August. September, end of August to in October, something like that.
So can you say this 1 month and a hurricane season?
I say September. I say end of August to September, October, this so.
No.
I went.
June 22.
Oh, June, no, in a June, yes.
To November. Yes, guys.
Whatever.
Don't listen to Tash.
Name one river in St. Elizabeth.
Black River.
Yep. Black River Safari.
As a child growing up, what the only thing I cook on Sunday?
Rice and beans, fried chicken. But that never happened in my yard.
For sure.
No. My mother no bother with fried. My mother don't like fried chicken.
No, we don't eat fried chicken, but rice and peas
Yeah.
every Sunday. Guys,
Most houses in Jamaica, rice and peas, fried chicken with vegetable.
Taylor rice and peas.
There you go. Which national year was That's one of the easiest one.
Guys,
I might tell me say I feel like a palbo. A palbo.
I want to come from where I be rebellion. Some sharp.
Jesus, people, this does not affect my career, please. This is not a part of what they taught me in university. No. But me think a palbo is some sharp. Somewhere around this.
Some sharp, Mr. Guys.
Mr. Palbo,
Comment down below.
Yeah. Alright, your time.
As a child, the 24th of December, what do you do?
What kind of easy question am I then? I must go to Grand Market.
Yes, guys, definitely. Grand Market.
Then
was
what's kind
it.
of easy?
Like it's in big no Grand
Yeah,
Market.
I'm not going to Grand Market. Grand Market have a picnic.
Over there, touch.
Yeah. Alright. Halfway Tree is located in Kingston or St. Andrew?
St. Andrew.
Correct. I guess that's still you're never sure. But thinking I'm gonna say Kingston, I can't know people will say Kingston.
When you were a child and you start feeling belly pain, back pain, foot pain, head pain, neck
Tea.
What kind of tea?
Bush tea.
What kind of bush tea?
Mint or Cersei. Which one?
Ginger tea.
And a bush tea? It's okay.
Ginger bush. Ginger bush.
Something alright. Something alright.
Ginger and a bush.
Mister, what kind of tea?
And me say bush tea, I say what kind of bush tea?
You come up with a bush, guys. That never in there.
Whatever. What is the capital of Chilani?
Why capital of Chilani?
Is Chilani?
Falmouth.
You know, me that one is Chilani even the parish or the
Capital. Chilani is the
parish
parish.
and
Falmouth is the capital.
Yes. You have more question? The question in that? Me have my first question, you still not answer. Who is on the $1,000 bill?
I would upon share. Which one that?
Share my money?
Yeah.
My silver?
Is that a $5,000 or $5,000 or $1,000? Guys,
I don't know.
That a question.
I give up?
I forgot just give up.
My money.
For sure. My hero, my prime minister.
That's why I switch here and say who the on the $1,000 bill. But they say hero at first and then say who the on it. Michael Manley on the blue money.
But Michael Manley the prime minister or me that one there for my
He did one prime minister, People's National Party prime minister. Him a normal Manley father. Our father was son.
Wrong somebody.
I'm not sure. But one of them are the son and one of them are the father. You have more question?
Just one question. Which parish can you find the capital? Savalamar.
Either Lucy or Anova. Or Westmoreland. Oh, which one?
Anna St. Elizabeth.
What?
Anna St. Elizabeth.
You have your answer for your people? So you come with question.
A bonus question, guys. Alright.
Which part?
Westmoreland.
Westmoreland. Lucy.
Lucy Anova.
Anova, yeah. Savannah would be Westmoreland, right? And then Anova would be Negril. That's all.
I just said Anova, Lucy.
Huh? So why capital of Negril? Negril, I don't play.
Negril is in Westmoreland.
That's you?
Yes.
Oh my God! You know, some people map on me and the map on me and that trick me. Because on the map it say Negril out and like the Negril our parish.
Negril they over Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. So why is something different for Westmoreland?
Negril.
Which one am I Black River?
St. Elizabeth.
Alright, so Savalamar
Sure.
for Westmoreland.
And then Negril.
Negril not the panny no not.
Of course Negril the panny.
Negril.
Where your phone then? You have internet, look at internet at work. Google that. Save internet at work. What thing, huh? Where find anything for today?
Guys, comment down below and let us know.
Yeah. I mean, by the time, whatever, we'll figure out what's the answer, but...
I find out.
Yeah. So guys, yes, this is the end of this video. Should I give my bonus question? I'm not for ask you.
I gave you my bonus question.
Bonus question? No, not for ask you. But this is the end of this video, people. If you guys got all the answers right while we were doing it, that means say you're real Jamaican. Real Jamaican. Big up yourself. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and
Subscribe.
Until another video. Bye. And remember, subscribe to Let's Go Tammy TV. Bye, y'all.